Arms reach down by the sides of your body, soften your knees, but lengthen your spine. And just turn from your hips and your waist to your right and your left for knocking on the door of life. At the very last moment, you bend your elbows and you knock along the low back and the abdomen, activating key pressure points in your body. Beautiful. Now from here, we're going to shift to the right and then to the left as we turn from our hips and our waist, moving your body from the center. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Now, tap the corner of your chest with your opposite hand, just below your collarbone, bringing some energy to your lungs. Also relaxing the chest muscles, which can become tight and pull our shoulders forward, distorting our posture. Now let's tap on the top of the shoulder, base of the neck. Releasing lines of tension in the neck and shoulders. These points you're tapping on with the heel of your hand are great for relieving headaches and just excess tension in your body. Now let's tap on the corner of your chest again. And now let's wrap the arms around the low back and the waist. You can even look over your shoulder a bit more if you want to. Get nice rotation in your spine. Now take a deep breath with me. And as you exhale, you're going to stop knocking on the door of life and turn your body into water waves. So we stop shifting from side to side in the legs and the hips, but we still continue to turn the spine from the center, and the arms just spiral around the body. The knees stay bent, but the spine stays long. And we turn and we move from the energy within us. And this movement is great for calming the mind and relaxing the body, pushing away any worries we may have right now, any mental stress. This is a great exercise to help us bring about emotional balance and balancing that yin and yang energy in the body. Just feel your body moving freely in space. Feel how the arms just glide through the air. And the air moving through the fingers. Take a deep breath with me. And as you exhale, begin to slow the movement down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Until you're still.